Good evening, everyone. Good evening, students. On behalf of Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment, I invite all of you for day 3 of Career Guidance webinar series. My name is Suman Shankar, and I also have Rotarian Mithun Pai with me. Both of us represent the club, Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment. I thank everyone who's been there right from day one. Many of you are familiar. Thank you so much for being there. There are some of you who just joined today. Thank you to you also, because I assure you that the next couple of days you're going to have a good line of speakers. There's going to be a lot of learning, and there's going to be a lot of fun as you learn along the way. So thank you everyone for being there. Today, as you know, the focus is on the self-assessment test, and therefore I'm going to hand over to Rotarian Mithun Pai, who will introduce the facilitators for today and take it from there. Over to you, Mithun.
Thank you, Suman, for the introduction. So, with regard to today's session, I think all of you would have got the detailed itinerary, where we would have seen what exactly is the topic that is being covered today. We have been conducting this series of webinars mainly to understand each of the persons or each of the students, where they are heading in their career, are they on the right path. So this evaluation requires self-judgment or somebody to guide actually. So in this process, what happens is a lot of people do not understand whether they are in the right career until they complete the graduation or maybe reach a point of their career where they are not able to even judge. Some of them, even after the half of the career, they realize that this is not the right career for them. So this being a case, what the current speakers whom we have today have created a platform, a scientifically proven methodology of testing or evaluation, I would say definitely, to see whether you are heading in the right career path or whether what career is suitable for you, or how to identify what career is suitable for you based on your interest, is something which we will be hearing from the speakers today. We have Mrs. Samyukta Indane from...
Mithun, sorry, we are recording it.
Yes, I have already started it some time back.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. So we have with us Mrs. Samyukta Indane. She is a dynamic professional who works in the field of talent mapping, brain development programs, and career planning from the age 3 onwards through their scientifically proven methodology. In the last 2.5 years, she has done counseling to close to 300 students and given them probably the outputs on what exactly they need to do in their career and things like that. Her husband is a proud Rotarian and heading an American company, and their son is studying in engineering from one of the prestigious universities. She owns a brain power education and career counseling company along with her partner, Kushali Dharamshi. She is also with us. Welcome, Mrs. Kushali. They represent a decade-old company called Brain Checker, and Brain Checker has a mission to assist students across India in matching their aspirations with their capabilities, which is what we'll be seeing today. Over the last few years, Brain Checker has assisted over 20 lakh students in making informed career choices using the latest tools and techniques in psychology. It's an ISO 9001-2008 certified company with over 40 plus PhDs and doctors working with them to assist students shape their dreams. Brain Checker has also collaborated with world's leading psychologists, including Dr. Jonathan Oliver, Dr. Peter Blair, and Dr. Greg Wallace, and many more. So we have with us Samyukta Indane and Kushali Dharamshi from. So this is my introduction for over to them. Over to Samyukta. Thank you. You are able. Yeah.
Are you able to hear us, Samyukta?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. And thank you so much to Rotary Club of Bangalore Cantonment, and specifically to Rotarian Suman Shankar and Rotarian Mithun to inviting me and Koshali over here for this, your webinar on a career guidance webinar. So warm welcome to everyone over here, all the students. It is so good to see all the students at this time. So not taking much of a time here, let me share a small presentation about what exactly is this assessment. So we will explain you what this assessment, and then about how this test will be conducted. So give me a moment. I will share a presentation over here. Students, can you please switch on your video so we can see your faces? Yeah.
Nice.
Now my screen is shared, and you can see play on your strength, knowing your brain power and personality. So all of you, the friends, all of us basically know that if we want like play on your strength, what is that? All of us know that if we want to win, we need a strength. So do we know our strength? And do we know our personality? So that exactly we are going to talk about today. This is a very strong statement. How smart am I? But rather, how am I smart? This statement looks very simple, isn't it? But actually, it is quite powerful statement, as I just said it. We look at smartness only from one angle. But believe me, everyone is smart. We need to understand how am I smart differently. And when we are at the path of our career or at the crossroad, we have a very different kind of a questions. Or we can say there are some common questions or a concerns. We have some common questions. Let's see what are these. I want to be successful, but confused about which career to choose. I am not sure what I am good at when it comes to a right career. I am good at few subjects. How can I convert that into a successful career? And last but not the least, I have too many interests. Will it harm my future? So these are just few what we have taken down here. There are thousands or maybe lakhs of questions which are endless. So that is what we are going to discuss about and how we can help you. We will see. So this is a interest and your choice. I'm confused about your career choice. Now this assessment is known as about psychometric analysis. Now let's understand what exactly is psychometric. What do you mean by psychometric? A psychometric is the measurement of skills, knowledge, abilities, personality traits, attitudes, and job or academic potential. Now, what is this test is? A psychometric test is any activity or assessment that is conducted in order to evaluate personality on the basis of this measurement. So, when anything this kind of a question or any extra help we need to take, a lot of people, I'm saying people, sometimes the parents are involved, sometimes the students are also involved. They are reluctant to take some extra help. Some people might think, why I need to go? My friend has taken this course, let me go. Do you any time thought about it that your friend's personality is different? His IQ is different. His thought process is different, but still you are going behind him. Sometimes your parent think that whatever I have done, let my son also go. Whatever I have done, let my child also do the same thing. Because there is a phobia of taking extra help. So these are some questions what we have taken down here. We did not have any counselors in our time. This is about like how people, parents think about. We did not have any counselors in our time and we are still successful. Who better than myself to guide my child? Because we think we parents are the best counselors for my son or my child. Why counseling for my high scholar? My son or my child or my daughter, she's topper. She doesn't need any counselor. Whatever I have dreamed about my child, she or he will do that only. You know, these kind of things comes in their mind and they forget that we are assuming. We are not proving or we are not sure about what we are assuming. I mean, assuming is what we are not sure about it. And we land up in anxiety, stress, uncertainty about future, mismatched expectations, unhappiness, deep regrets, and we don't have any clue about our career goals, and total chaos and confusion. This is about 90 to 95% cases happens. So the psychometric test or any assessment which helps you to give you a proper analysis. So the psychometric test is also known as Caliber Intelligence Quotient Test. Now, the company who takes this assessment is a BrainChecker, our parent company. This company has put in several years in designing the CIQT advanced test with the help of PhD psychologists from US and Southeast Asia, along with Indian psychologists. This is India's first Indianized proprietary test developed to understand the intelligence quotient of an Indian student, keeping in mind our dynamic cultural difference, level of education, and multilingualism. These test scores provide the parents or the students with an in-depth understanding of their child's current academic caliber, which in turn helps in sorting of compatible career choices. Now, when we talk about current academic caliber, that means this test or this assessment is not about your knowledge test. This test doesn't have your math, science, or language test. This test is basically is about your acquired intelligences. So I think if all students of around 16, 17, 18, 19 years of age, whatever acquired intelligence you have, this test is all about your acquired intelligences. That is known as your current caliber. This psychometric test is designed for the students who not only want to know more about their IQ, but also about their personality, working style, occupational preferences, through Dr. Holland's Rorschach theory and much more. Acquainting oneself with this test will aid in better, faster, precise decision making and cognitive abilities. So this is what we explain about this assessment. Now, how we are going to execute this test and how the app will look like, Kushali will take you through this journey. Over to you, Kushali. I'll stop sharing. Yeah. Yeah, Mithun, can you please unmute Kushali?
Yeah, I will do that.
And students, you have any questions? You can, after that, you can ask the questions.
Okay, thank you, Sanyukta. Hello, everyone. I will share my screen and simultaneously I will explain. So first of all, we are very happy to know that you have decided to consult Brain Checker counselors for helping you to plan your career. So this is an execution of the psychometric test. So students, on the day of test, we will assign you the test by sharing an app link. Separate link will be shared to each student on their WhatsApp number. So every candidate will be given link along with the login ID and password to take the test. Download the Brain Checker Assessment Series app from the Google Play Store using the link shared on your mobile. Test downloading sometimes take a time as this file is a very large. This test should be taken on mobile. Everybody these days has an Android phone, so this is a specifically mobile designed app. Mobile Wi-Fi required only when login and at the time of submit the test. As I mentioned, this is a very huge file, so we will suggest that you should have proper Wi-Fi connection. So at the time of downloading the test, this will be very helpful. Speed will be there, so it can get easily downloaded. And later on, when you submit the test, for uploading it, you will also need the Wi-Fi connection. And then once this test of 90 minutes is completed, students should submit the test by pressing submit option. This I will show you in my next share file where I will show you the mobile app, how it looks like. So you will understand there better. Once you submit your test, please intimate us via WhatsApp with your name and school. Students, me and Sanyukta will enroll you. Few will be enrolled by Sanyukta and few with me. So each one of you have the direct number of us. So you can intimate us when your test is over that, ma'am, I have submitted this test, and a screenshot of the submit. We will show you that also in the next slide. Report will be available in next 8 working days. We will arrange a group counseling on the Zoom virtual platform. Report along with best 5 career options will be sent to every student to their respective email. Student, once you give the test, you will get the report. Individual students will get their report. And in this report, you will come to know which are the best 5 career options suitable to you. This test is combined assessment of your intelligent quotient, occupation evaluation divided in 12 sections, totaling 90 minutes. Each test designed to evaluate a specific brain function. As you are aware, students, that we have 2 parts of our brain, left and right. So here we will also come to know which brain is acting more, which is a dominant brain for you, whether left brain or right brain. So in detail, both the functions of the brain will be explained during the counseling. So with this report, you will also come to know about the brain functions. This psychometric test will provide you with your own caliber score and an occupational code. Now coming to, please read the format instruction carefully. This test has been divided in 12 sections, totaling 220 questions. You have to do it in 90 minutes. Each section has a timer to complete the test. Each section has its own instruction set. Okay. For example, if you are on the first section and you have given the time of 4 minutes, so within that time frame, you will be supposed to finish that first section. Okay, yeah. Timer will start after the instruction set is read. On the instruction page, there is no time limit. You can read it once, twice, or thrice till you understand the instruction. Then you need to go to the next page. You can use pen and paper for solving. You have to complete 12 sections with all the sub-questions. Now, when we say sub-question means this 12 section will have lot many sub-questions. Okay, there will be different set of sub-questions in each 12 questions. So within that time given for the particular section, you are supposed to finish all the sub-questions. For example, as I mentioned in the first section, if there are 20 sub-questions, then within the 4 minute in example, you need to finish all the 20 questions. Okay. Test finishes only after all the 12 sections are answered. Answering all the questions in any particular section is not compulsory. You cannot modify your answer once provided. Okay. Once you confirm your answer, then you cannot change it. In a section, you can go back and forth to answer sub-question. As there are 12 main sections, you cannot switch to any particular section here and there, students. But in sub-question, if you are in any particular section, you can go to switch to any of the sub-question. For example, you are on the second sub-question and you have some doubt on the answer, you are not sure what to answer, then don't waste your time and switch to next sub-question. Okay. And then later, if you have the time in your hand, you can come back to that question which you have left, you were not sure, and you can answer it. But work smartly in the subsection. If you're not aware, go to the next and then you can come back to the remaining one. Okay. Once section timing is over, you cannot go back and forth. Okay. If all the sub-questions have completed within the time given, automatically you have to go to the next main question. But in case if your sub-questions are left in a particular section and the time is over, then we cannot do anything. Then also you have to go to the next section. Okay. Once section timing is over, you have to move to the next section. There is no negative marking for wrong answers. Complete the test in one go. Do not take any breaks. Okay, students. So you have any doubt here till here? All this instruction will also be given in the application when you start your test. These instructions will also be given there. But to make you comfortable and if you have any doubt, we thought let us discuss here for your better understanding. Okay. I understand you don't have any doubt. Now let me share my other screen.
Yes. I'll just check again. Students, if you have any doubts, please unmute yourself. You can also ask in Kannada, Telugu, whichever language you're comfortable with. Else you can also type in the chat box.
Students, please feel free to question. Your queries will be answered by us. This will be helpful for you. Clear? Okay. So now I'll stop sharing this. So now on your screen will be mobile app. It's a manual we have created for your easier understanding. Once you will click the link which will be providing you in the WhatsApp, then it will look like this. Please read the user manual carefully and thoroughly before using the app and keep it handy when using the app. View at the Google Play Store after you click the app download link and hit install. So the name of the test will be Brain Checker Assessment Series. You need to click it and download it. Then it will be there on your mobile pages. You can just click the icon of the Brain Checker and open the app. The first screen will look like this. Brain Checker, India's largest career counseling company. Then swipe left to get the next screen. You have to be very delicately swipe it, students, as we do any application on the WhatsApp or Google. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
from what app should we download, ma'am, for the test?
Sorry, come again.
What app should we download for the test, ma'am?
Yeah, see, I explained here. Again, I'm explaining. The app name is Brain Checker Assessment Series app. This link of this app will be shared on WhatsApp with you. So you can press that link and automatically it will take you to the Google Store and there you can download it. Okay?
Ma'am, on iPhone.
iPhone, no, it should be Android phone. You have anyone at home who have Android phone, then please use that for 90 minutes.
When is the test, ma'am?
Tomorrow we are going to schedule it. After this, the screen which I have shared, we will explain everything on it. Okay. First, let's see this, and then we can clear all your doubts. Okay. Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this way, you will get the icon of the app. Click it and open the app. So the home page will look like this. First screen. Swipe it on the left to go on the next pages. So the second screen will be like this. So no, please note, while swiping to get the next screen, the number pad may get open. Sometimes when we are into the swiping process, the number pad may get open. So don't worry about it. You will need to right away. There are 5 initial screens before the login screen. Keep reading and swiping until you arrive the login section. Okay. So this is the login screen. Here you need to enter the ID and the password which we will be creating for you. Your ID will be the mobile number which you have already provided us in the Google Sheet, and the password we will be sharing you on the WhatsApp. Okay. Enter your mobile number and 4-digit password provided by us and hit verify button. Click this button. After successful login, for security reason, app restart will be required. The screen look like this. So press OK. Now after you click OK, the app will close. Don't worry. Open the app again to continue. So you just again go back in the icon page and you need to open the Brain Checker app. Then once you open it, this time when you open the app, the initial screen will not be visible, but a white screen will be there with a sync button. So because we have already went through the initial page, it will automatically take us to the next page. This will come on your screen. with this round white circle. Sync. Hit the sync button just once and wait for a few seconds. After sync is successful, you will get a message and the test will appear. So this will come on your screen after you have synced the system. Okay, psychometric test. Here the name of Sanyukta will be there, date, questions, and the minutes. One test found. Click, hit OK button to continue. Now the test name will appear with the name and other information. Now hit on the test name to start the test. So you have to click on the psychometric test. On this box, you need to click on the psychometric test. Yeah. So it will start. After you hit the test name, a confirmation screen appears. So press start button to start the test. The first screen of the test sections look like this. Note, the screen will now automatically rotate to landscape mode for better viewing. Here comes the instruction screen. Please read carefully. It may take some time, but don't worry. This time taken is not calculated in your test time. As I mentioned the same thing earlier also. For each and every section, there will be instructions given. Please read those carefully and understand properly before moving ahead. General instruction page will be like this. It's the same thing what I have covered few minutes back with you. After the general instruction screen are gone, comes the first test, retention test. This is the first test. Swipe to continue. Swipe left. You can see retention test instruction screen here. So all the instructions are given here on how to solve this particular section. You can see a time limit given for this particular question also. Okay. So 1 minute to memorize, 3 minutes to answer. This way all the instructions will be given. Please look for such wooden frame screen before each test. Please read the instruction in this screens carefully. Student, this way all the 12 sections will have the instruction set. Read it twice or thrice if you are not clear. Okay. After reading the instruction, swipe it to the left. Solved example will be given for you to understand properly. Before each test section, a solved example question is given to give you an idea of what to expect next. When you are ready, swipe to continue. The confirmation screen before start the test. After you read the instructions, swipe it to the left. The next screen will ask you, shall we start the section? You need to press start to continue. This is the retention test. It looks like. You cannot come back to this screen once you have swiped and visited the next screen. Okay, so this is the reason I asked you to go very, very slowly and gradually in the swiping process. If you have swiped it very fastly, then it may take you to the next section. Okay, you may miss some section. So don't do like that. Deal it very patiently. Okay. Yeah. For example, you can see here, test begin, question 1, name of the test taker will be in the black heading. Then timer is there in the red circle. You are on the first sub question, it's a purple. The option you need to hit any of this option. Your timer starts the moment you arrive this screen. You need to finish this section within this time. And if you finish attempting all the questions before the time stops, Click on Finish button to end this section and visit next. See, here on the right-hand side top, there is a blue circle. In that it is written Finish. If in case you have finished all the sections and the time is left, it is saying you can press Finish button, but we will advise you to wait to get the timer over or stop by itself. Don't press Finish button because we don't want any technical glitches to happen in between. Okay, you can wait for the complete 90 minutes till you come on the 12th section, and then you can hit the Finish button. I hope it is very easy and clear to you. Yeah. And if you finish attempting all the questions before the time stops, click on the Finish button to end this section and visit next. Remember, once you finish any section, you cannot open it again. So be careful before hitting the Finish button if you have completed before time. Answering the question, choose the option you desire and confirm the same in the confirm box. See, when you select on the particular answer, it will ask you to confirm your answer. For example, they have opted for such C, so it is asking to confirm the answer. So you can press confirm, fix your answer. Okay, then it will be selected. After each section are done, a well done screen will come to confirm the section is done and over. Unfortunately, I missed to capture the screenshot. Swipe to continue. Then it will take you to the next questions, main questions. And on the last screen, this page will come. After you finish with this section, the test finished and well done screen comes as usual. And you will get the final thank you screen. So this thank you screen you have to check. When this comes, you can press the finish button and your test will be over. Okay. Then what you are supposed to do? Swipe to continue. After that, after you are done, the application will close suddenly with a message. Unfortunately, Brain Checker has stopped. Okay. Hit OK and then open the app again. You need to submit the test output data to server. Hit the test name once again as you did earlier to start the test. When you come to this section, psychometric test, sync again. This white circle on the right hand side on the top, you have to sync again for submitting the test now. Submit the test will take little time. This will look something like this. After the loader finishes its task, sync once again to check if the data submitted or not. If submitted successfully, it will now show submitted instead of new. In the red circle, you can see submitted option. This is when your test will be submitted. And here we ask all the students to please take the screenshot of this page. Submitted. When you started the test, it was written here new, N-E-W. And as now you have given the test and you have synced it, it is showing as the test is submitted. So once again, after you finish the test, open the application again on your mobile and sync it and see the submitted option. And take a screenshot and share on a WhatsApp number, either mine or Sayukta. Yeah. So students, any doubt in this application?
I wanted to ask you on two things.
Yeah, Suman.
Can you just call out some of these, when you said there are 12 sections, can you call out some of these sections to the students?
What is the reason?
No, just so that they know the kinds of areas that we will cover.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Give me a moment, okay?
Sure, sure.
Students, you don't need to panic or
Yeah. Students, you don't need to get panic or nervous. As mentioned earlier, this is not related to your academics. It will be showing your aptitude towards all the 12 sections. The name we are going to give you now, to make you easy.
Exactly.
Okay?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
just go. Just with a cool mind, go ahead with the test, and the link is shared. Just see to it that the 90 minutes of time you can devote for the test.
Is my screen shared?
No, no. Yeah.
You can see, students, you can see the name of the main sections: the retention, numerical handling, sensing, world understanding, spatial observations, spatial patterns, logical analysis, arithmetic chronology, spatial correlations, creative applications, occupational assessment, and personality evaluation. These are the 12 sections.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
students, the objective of asking them is to tell you that these are very basic things that will be covered in the test. And it is also to understand what is your natural style, what are your areas of interest. So it is extremely important that you attempt it very honestly, and whatever is your top of the mind response is what we would expect you to actually enter in there. So there is absolutely nothing to panic, like Koshali and Sanyukta were just sharing. And this is an opportunity to know yourself better, so that this will help you as you take your future course of action when it comes to career options.
Yes, absolutely correct, Rotarian Suman. Friends, why the Rotary group of people and we are investing time and everything? Because this is going to help you big time. The students, whoever has done this, a lot of other clubs have already done this, and the students, after this analysis of this report, they feel, oh, this is so great because your job is done. Somebody just, your investment is 90 minutes. That with the cool mind, you don't need to think about it anything. Give your 90 minutes. We will be doing your analysis, which is scientifically proven. And once the report comes, we will be doing that 90 minutes. The report explanation will be done. And you will understand that what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, and what is my choice of place, or what are my choice of career I should pursue. So in investment of 90 minutes, the whole life is clear. Nothing great than this. And we are not going to give you any maths or science questions. I just read out the 12 sections. It is all about your acquired intelligences. So, out of those 12, the 10 sections, we will give that 10 sections, we understand which brain is dominant. Why it is so scientifically, we are saying repeatedly, because even we understand which brain is dominant, the left brain or the right brain. Left brain person, if the left brain is dominant, the person is logical, the analytical person. If the right brain dominant, the person is emotional or a creative person. There are so many things we analyze. So it's a very perfect analysis of your personality, of your cognitive skills. There are so many things are involved in this. So the group explanation, the report explanation, it's so interesting, which is, after 7 days, it will happen. So investment of your 90 minutes, that's all, with your cool mind. Any questions? Please feel free to ask.
Ma'am, that brain tracker, you told that that login and password we should put, no, which login, which number should we put, ma'am?
Yeah, so you have the Google form is shared by Suman ma'am. So you have filled that Google form and submitted?
Not that, ma'am.
Okay, so then if you submit that Google form, so we get that number. Either me or Kushali will be responding to that number by tonight or tomorrow, because we have scheduled those assessments tomorrow. The tests are being assessment tomorrow, and we will be sharing those link on your WhatsApp number. So the process will be, Suman, can I explain the process?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah. So the students who have submitted the Google forms from yesterday night, Suman ma'am has shared the Google form. 90 students have already responded to the Google form. We have received those numbers. So from tonight, we will be sending them the messages. The half students will be getting a message from me, that is Sayukta. Half students will be getting messages from Kushali. So we will be fixing the time of your test during tomorrow, the whole day. So first you will be getting the message from, there will be a detail of this test. One message you will be getting. Then tomorrow, again, there will be a PDF form which will be explaining about the test. So this will be again one revision about how this test is going to be conducted, the execution of the test. So again, you should not miss out any point in how this test is going to be executed. And then before the scheduled time of the test, before 10 minutes, the link will be shared. The link, you have to click the link. Then you will be able to download the app, the Brain Checker app. Now, the message which is having the app, in that message itself, the password and the ID is there. So when you download the app, you have to put that password and the ID. So everything, information will be one by one shared. The first step is you have to fill that Google form. So once you tomorrow download the app, you have to give that 90-minute test. Once you give the 90-minute test, you have to take the screenshot of that submit that test and share it to respective, either me or Kushali, and then take a rest. And once the assessment comes, again we will be meeting for the group explanation. This is the procedure. Yes. Now I hope I have explained it properly about the app. Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
So students, tomorrow we don't have any webinar because tomorrow is Sankranti, and therefore we thought it's also a good opportunity for you to spend time filling up the psychometric test as soon as Sanyukta or Kushali send you the link.
Suman, some students have written that Google form is not opening.
Yeah, I'm seeing that in the chat box. So I'm just wondering, how else do we send it to you? Or can you send your mail ID in the chat box? We can just email it to you.
Ma'am, you could.
Suman ma'am, you can do one thing. You can resend the link to the child again, Yogananda, and then see. Because only one student has complained he has not able to open the app. So just try to resend it.
He's
And
given
then
his email ID.
yeah. So we understand all other students have given their details on the Google Sheets, and you don't have any doubts, right? Students clear about the procedure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Please feel free to ask questions.
Yeah, somebody was saying something.
Ma'am, at what time the test will be held?
We will be tomorrow from 10:30 we'll be starting the test, because at the same time we cannot assign test to everyone. So we will be sending the message, and along with the message we will be giving you the time of the test. Is it fine?
What would be the normal time slots? Maybe you can explain them. What type of time slots would be there?
Okay, we'll be starting it around 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. If students are okay, 10 o'clock is fine with you? So 10, then 10:30, then 11, that way we can start. Is it fine?
Yes, madam.
So will you be, just to understand, will you be sending them, each of them saying what are the time slots for each of those people?
Yes, yes. See, if each and every student will be getting messages from us.
Okay.
So today we will be saving the numbers on our WhatsApp number, and one message will go to tonight, and then along with one PDF form, a PDF about the execution of the test, and tomorrow morning with the link. First it will go that today what time they have a test, and before the test, 10 minutes before the test slot, the link will be shared. Is it everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Please feel any question, please feel free. Okay. And when we send the message, please respond. So we also understand that the number is correct. Thumbs up or something, because we don't know you. So there's some interaction should be there. At least thumbs up is fine. So we understand, okay, this is the correct number. Fine. Good to go from tomorrow, 10 o'clock?
Yes, madam.
Great.
Somebody has asked, saying, tell them about Zoom meetings.
No. It was by mistake, because it will be same way meeting. First, let's go tomorrow for the assessment. Take a test, then we will one by one we will go.
Yeah, we will use WebEx only for the counseling. We are not going to use Zoom here.
Okay.
Any more
Thank
questions?
you, everyone.
Ma'am, do we have a webinar tomorrow?
Tomorrow we have a break, and the break is for you to spend time and fill up the test. Please celebrate Shankranti tomorrow. I think most of you don't have college also tomorrow. So we will meet again on Friday, and the topic for Friday is corporate law, which you know is another upcoming area, and it is not necessary that only commerce students should listen to it. Students from any graduation today can actually take up corporate law. So it's a very interesting and exciting field with lots of opportunities. So therefore, look forward to seeing you all on Friday evening at the same time, 4 p.m.